Hello everyone, my name is Safarina Salwa, and in this video I would like to reflect on my MIC project by connecting my learning experience with SLA theories, my learner profile, and my reflection as a future English teacher. First, my MIC experience can be explained by Creation input hypothesis. According to Creation, language acquisition happens when learners receive comprehensible input slightly above their current level. During the MIC project, I was exposed to meaningful English input through song, podcasts, videos, and short stories. These materials were interesting and not too difficult, so I could understand the message without feeling pressured. For example, listening to English song helped me learn new vocabulary and expression naturally through context. This made learning enjoyable and effective at the same time. Another factor that influenced my learning is learner differences, especially learning style. I realized that I learn better through listening and reading activities. Most of my MIC activities involve extensive listening and reading, such as song, podcasts, and short stories. Because these activities match my learning style, I felt more motivated and focused. This shows that when learning activities suit learners' preferences, the learning process becomes more meaningful. In addition, metacognitive strategies played an important role in my MIC project. I planned my learning by choosing materials that match my level and interests. I monitored my understanding by noticing new words, expression, and patterns. For example, in the Fate of Ophelia activity, I predicted the meaning before listening, noticed emotional vocabulary during listening, and reflected on the message after listening. This helped me become more aware of my learning process and how to improve my English skill. Based on class tests, my learner profile shows that I am a protagonist ENFJ, T, strongly self-motivated, and a visual learner. My personality helps me connect emotionally with learning materials. My motivation keeps me consistent, and my visual learning style helps me understand language better through written text and subtitle. One example is when I use song lyric to understand emotional meaning more deeply. As a future English teacher, the SLA concept that will influence my teaching the most is learner differences. As explained by Rod Ellis and Zoltan Duri, they emphasize that personality and motivation affect how students learn languages. In my future classroom, I want to use personality-sensitive activities by combining group discussion, individual tasks, and giving student choices. This way, all students can learn comfortably and effectively. Thank you.